Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CERP, and we'll be taking a look at the daily time frame. Do not believe we've ever done this one before, but got quite a bit of traction this past week and has held up after that initial move. So want to get things updated as we go into the weekend, and that way everybody has an idea of what's going on from the technical perspective. Let's first just start off with the initial move that I was talking about, and that's just clearly right here. You can see what date was that on the 22nd. Nice burst in price action and volume, and the key part was this just a one-day move or what? And so far, it's looking like there's some actual strength behind it, and that statement just comes simply because you can see that the price has maintained itself, so that's always a good sign. So in terms of maintaining itself, let's talk about some supports. Right now you can see that there seems to be some nice support right down here around the 0.025 area, so we'll make that our first level of support. Going to leave that line skinny because while it is support, if the price does fall below it, you still do have other areas of support. I'm not sure where this is going to match up, but the other area of support that I see is if we look back here, yeah, it matches up pretty good with those moving averages. I'm going to move this down just a little bit to right here. You can see that, let's first get this changed to green so it sticks out a little bit better. Make that line a little thicker because it is pretty important. But if you go back here, you can see multiple times. I'm not going to count the number of days, but you can see just the number of times where the price bounced off that level as support. When it fell below here, it became a resistance, but now that the price is back above it, it is turned back into support again. So this level is down here at 0.0195. So 0.0195 is going to be a pretty important level. But ideally, if 0.025 can hold that, it'd be great. But again, the really crucial level is going to be this 0.0195, because if that doesn't fall, you can see this blue line here, which is the 20-day, is basically the same level. Then you're basically back to the next support level being where it was down here. And not to state the obvious, but nobody wants to head back down there. So that's where all the supports stand in terms of resistance levels. The one that's sticking out to me is right here, and this is just base. You can see a bunch of lows, kind of like over here happened, but these lows are all right around the 0.04. So 4 cents is going to be the first level of resistance. Change that to red, and then after that, you might have a little minor up here at the 0.045, which is where the profit taker stepped in right here. But the big one is going to be this purple line, which is the 50-day simple moving average. That's valued at 0.051. So resistance wise, as far as I'm concerned, first one at 4 cents, and then the next one up here at 0.051. Those are going to be the two key levels of resistance. I won't go any further than that. Let's first see if we can get some closes up above there. And if you can, then I'm sure I'll be back to keep the chart updated. But that's where the chart currently stands. Overall, nice week for it. Nice to see this big upwards move, and then more importantly, to see the price be able to maintain itself. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for the newsletter. If you go up there, and as you'll see, if you sign up, you'll get a free ebook. With the newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. It is all free. And also, if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting, we have a course available down there, 8.5 hours of information. That's been getting good third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to look into that if you're looking to add mastering charts into your trading tool belt. If there are any other questions, though, please let me know. If not, thanks for listening and enjoy your weekend.